thanks for the invitation to be with you all here this afternoon to officially open this Centre of Excellence. I just want to mention Jack as well, because I bet you didn't know that as part of the apprenticeship scheme you had to stand up and make a speech. You did well at it, so well done with that. That's great to see. It's incredible how this area has changed over the years. When I was a teenager, this area was dominated by the big colliery that was over the road, the Nangow Colliery. If you were an apprentice in this part of the world then, you were probably an apprentice with a cobalt. To see the change in the area, to see the investment that's been put in by Coleg and Cymru, see the new buildings spring up over the years has been fantastic. And today is another great example of the colleges forward thinking, because we know that the railways are going to be an important driver for our economy development in the future. Which is why it's important for us to be able to support, provide financial support for this building as well. Over the next few years, we're going to see a lot of work done on our railways. Yes, we're going to see the electrification of the main line coming down to Swansea, but we're also going to see the development of the South Wales Metro. That's going to be an exciting project. It's going to take many, many years. It starts off by looking at the lines we already have and modernising them, and look in the future at extending and reopening lines as well. And we know there's going to be a lot of work around for people working on those lines, building the lines, installing the electrical network to power the trains. And it's absolutely crucial that as much business and as much work goes locally as possible. Because there's no point having a major project such as electrification if all the money spent on it leaks elsewhere. And it's crucial that we have trained people who can work on the lines, work on the overhead cables, and that's why the Centre of Excellence is so important for the future. So I just want to thank all those who have the vision to set up this Centre of Excellence. Part of my job involves turning up when everybody else has done all the hard work. So I know full well that to get to where we are today, there's been an immense amount of effort and vision shown by many, many people who have already been mentioned by Judith. I want to wish the best of luck as well to the apprentices, those who are going through the apprenticeship scheme now, those who have finished it. There's a bright future ahead of you, because there's a lot of work to be coming to this area. It's a good choice that you've made, and you've got the skills you need now for the future. So best of luck to you all, and enjoy the years ahead. Believe me, time passes quickly. But more than anything else, this is a hugely important addition to the provision of apprenticeships, training and human development in Wales, and particularly in